How to create a poll in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to create a poll in WhatsApp, first of all launch the WhatsApp application on your device. As you do that, select on any of the chat that you'd want to create a poll on. So here I have already selected a chat. So I'm going to tap on this attach option in the message box over here. So just tap on it. And as you tap on it, there are different options that pop up. So I'm going to tap on the option of poll. As you tap on poll, you can just tap on ask question and ask any of the questions like free this weekend. And then you can add the option of yes, no, maybe, and so on. And then if you want to allow multiple answers, you can toggle it. If not, you can just toggle off this option and then tap on send. And there you go, you have created a poll in WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.